Hello again and welcome back to my channel. If you ever wondered how some meme coin traders seem to find the next big coin before anyone else, then this video is for you. I will show you how to track smart money wallets. These are the wallets of traders who constantly make profitable moves. By observing their trades, you can quickly find the current meta or narrative in the market without doing your own research. We will use the Padre trading bot to do this, but you can also do this on Axiom. If you don't have an account on Padre or Axiom, you can use my invitation links below in the description and get a special discount on all your trading fees. Let's start by opening the Trenches tab and go to the migrated tokens. First, let's set up our filter to weed out most of the scam tokens. Select the following launchpads: Pump Fun, Bonk, Bags and Heaven, and leave the rest unchecked. Select at least one social. In the market cap put in 50,000, the volume is 5,000 and bundles maximum is 20. Don't forget to click on Apply to save and close the filter. Click on a token in the migrated section, and if the chart opens, scroll down to the trades. To find the best traders, click on Age to see the oldest transactions and click on a wallet address to see their performance over the last 30 days. You can see the trade history, the trades with the most profits, the active positions, and if it's a developer, you can also see all his or her tokens and the profit and losses. If the wallet has a high win rate, like this one with a 93% win rate, then this is a wallet to add to your wallet tracker. Copy the address, open your wallet tracker, which comes free with Padre, and add the address. Give it a name like 93% top trader so you can remember why you are tracking the wallet. From now on, you will be notified every time the wallet makes a new trade. You can also find smart insider wallets from the trending page. In the filter, set launchpads to Pump Fun, Bonk, Bags and Heaven. Select at least one social, and in the volume we want to see a minimum of 30,000 and token age 5 minutes. Click Apply to save the settings and go to the 5-minute trending coins. Open a chart and navigate to the top traders where you see the most profitable wallets and how much they have made. To find the top trader, skip the bundled wallets. You can see if the wallet is bundled if there is a red icon besides the address. You also want a wallet who bought in with their own money. If there is nothing mentioned in the bought column, then this is an insider wallet who got their tokens for free. These wallets can dump on you anytime, so don't copy them. If you see a real buyer who made some nice profits, click on the address to check the 30-day performance and the win rate, and if it looks good, copy and paste the address in your wallet tracker. This is how you build an arsenal of top traders, which you can keep an eye on. Do not copy trade these smart wallets. These wallets are popular and already tracked by many people, and when they enter a trade, other copy traders also buy the same coin, and most of them are used as exit liquidity. Use the information instead to do your own research and see which coins are trending. For a deeper analysis, you can use the free Telegram TradeWiz bot. Click on the Smart Wallet function and paste the wallet address that you want to check out in the form field. You will see things like the wallet trading history, the win rate and the average trade speed. If the data confirms that the wallet is profitable, add the address to your wallet tracker and give it a name. I have the TradeWiz Telegram link below in the description. By tracking smart wallets, you can keep an eye on most successful traders and see what they are doing. It's like getting a sneak peek at the moves of the top players. If a bunch of top traders start buying a specific token, it means that a new trend might be starting. By tracking their wallets, you can see these bigger shifts in the market in real time and position yourself to take advantage of them. Just remember, even the best traders make mistakes, so while it's fantastic to get inspiration from these wallets, always do a little bit of your own research before you jump in. Let me know if you have anything to add to this video in the comments below, and if you like this information, Please leave a like or subscribe to the channel to get my latest videos first. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.